No, pick the goddamn camera up and look at me.
Nigga,
Like the normal person. Is it still filming?
Nigga, yes, you ghetto asshole.
Alright, film me, right? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today you are here, tuned in to the Raresaint channel. Here's what we about to do. I'm about to teach y'all how to cook ramen noodle. Alright? Ramen noodle, one of the most exquisite lunch, breakfast, dinner.
Do we have a knife?
Look, nigga, we don't need a knife, right? We're men. We cover with our hands. See, fucking muscle. Nature is a beautiful thing. Nature is one of the most excellent things in the whole goddamn fucking world. Alright? So we out here in the wild. Alright? They call me the survival man. They call me Lil Saint. They call me Raresaint. I'm a lot of things. You're gonna learn that today. As you know, we're going to be cooking ramen noodles here in the woods. I'm gonna prepare you for any sort of attack. Let's go. Alright, you're gonna need to find the ramen noodles in the wild. Alright, because these motherfuckers are everywhere. Alright, they're animals. Here we are. I am in my survival mode. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk across this, because that's where the ramen noodles are at. Welcome to the fucking wilderness, bitch. See that? Today, we're gonna cross that shit, right? Because over there, that's where the ramen noodles are. That's where they stay right there. All right, let's go. Oh shit! Here's the tricky part. The tricky part is staying is on these dangerous woods. Keep it going. You know, really not time to go on there. We made it. Y'all hear that? There's only one way to call these ramen noodles. They're tricky, alright?
Watch something call back, nigga.
I hear them. This is red footage, alright? Let's go. You don't know what you're about to see. Oh my god! Ladies and gentlemen, we found our ramen noodles, okay? They were very hard to find. We had to do a mating call and everything. But here we are now. Here we are. We are here to start the fire. Okay, this is the essential part. All right, we're gonna use all natural. To start a fire, you gotta rub two sticks together like this. Boom! We made the fire. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make a fire. Stick. And you do that shit, alright? Now it's time to move on to cooking the ramen noodles.
Cut dope, I will cut your fucking dope. I be fucking on your hoe, you be fucking on the low. Split deal, I be out for fucking kills. I be giving fucking chills. Yeah, my blade is fucking real. What's the deal? What's the deal? Is you motherfucking real? What's the deal? What's the deal? Is you motherfucking real? What's the deal? What's the deal? Is you motherfucking real? What's the deal? What's the deal? Is you motherfucking
Buonissimo! We're here at the cookie. My name is Chef Linguini. Chef
Linguini, touch the fire for us. With your hands, Linguini.
First, we're here to touch fire. We take fire for its soul. Linguini. Okay. First, we have a ramen, but we need water, so we call a watering hole. Oh, I hear one. Watering holes are very hard to find. Oh, it's water! Oh, we have a water. We have fire. We have the essentials of life. First step to cooking. You don't got a fucking pot. We need a pot. So we make a pot with we take the ramen noodle. Very good. And now for the final step.
You burnt the damn shit.
This is very excellent. This is
Yeah, let me not just zoom into that burnt part that's burning already.
That's on me. We take a spatula. We take the spatula and we move it the ramen noodle. We cook it alright. This is very good. This is very good. Why the fuck are you watching this? Why the fuck are you watching this? Why are you even fucking watching this? I'm fucking ramen noodles. That's how you cook ramen noodles. That's some good fucking ramen noodles. You want some? Come here. Fuck out of here.